Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a business address on Google Maps, listing guide step by step clearly. Open Google Maps on your computer or phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sign in with the Google account you want to manage the business with. In the search bar, type your business name and your city to check if it already exists. If you find an existing listing, tap or click it and choose Claim this business or Own this business. If you do not find it, open the menu and select Add your business or Add a missing place. Choose the option that matches your goal, either create a new business profile or add a place. Enter your business name exactly as it appears on your signage and official documents. Select the most accurate primary business category from the suggested options. Choose whether customers can visit your location, and select Yes if you have a physical address. Type your full address carefully, including street, number, district, city, and postal code. Place the map pin precisely on your building entrance to avoid navigation problems. Add your service area only if you also travel to customers, and keep it realistic and accurate. Enter your business phone number with the correct country code and a reachable line. Add your website URL if you have one, and make sure it loads fast and is mobile friendly. Set your opening hours and double-check special days like weekends and holidays. Add business attributes if available, such as wheelchair-accessible entrance or online appointments. Upload clear photos like your storefront, logo, interior, and a few product or service images. Write a short business description that explains what you do and includes your main keywords naturally. Review every field for spelling, formatting, and consistency with your website and social profiles. Click Continue or Submit to create the profile and start the verification process. Choose a verification method, such as postcard, phone, email, video, or live video call if offered. If you choose postcard, confirm the mailing address and wait for the code to arrive. When the code arrives, go to your business profile and enter the verification code exactly. If you verify by phone or email, follow the prompt immediately and complete the confirmation. After verification, open your Business Profile Manager to edit and publish any pending changes. Search your business on Google Maps again to confirm the address, pin location, and hours display correctly. Enable messages and add more photos regularly to improve trust and visibility. Ask real customers for reviews and respond professionally to each review to build credibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.